This is how I made a lumber rack for under $50. There's very minimal amount of materials that you actually need for this build. First, you'll need about 5 2x4s, one running like that, a lower one right here, some 2x4s for the runners down here that's below this plywood, and another couple for a pony wall. Next, you'll need about 4 or 5 1.5-inch longer dowels like this. Now with those dowels, you're just going to drill a hole about halfway through your 2x4 and now insert the dowel with some glue and a screw from the back side. With those dowels, now you have a very sturdy area to be able to place your wood down and store your material. Lastly, the base is less than half a sheet of plywood. The beauty with this setup too is you can make it as large or as small as you need to. Being that I've got a 2-car garage, I found this size the right setup for myself. The length from this side to this side is about 5.5 feet. Don't forget about the pony wall. So as you see here, I used it for a lot of my scrap wood. So again, if you want the best bang for your buck, I would definitely go for this setup right here.